The Multiossigen Medical 95 CPS is an ozone therapy device mainly used in medical settings. This guide will walk you through the key steps to set up and use the machine properly. Main components: isolation transformer, medical oxygen cylinder with industrial fitting, pressure reducer, oxygen connection tubes, setup and connections, power connection. Plug the isolation transformer into the dedicated wall socket. Switch on the isolation transformer, then the machine using the rear switch. Connecting the oxygen cylinder. Hand screw the pressure reducer onto the oxygen cylinder, but don't over-tighten. Connect the tube to the reducer using the quick connect fitting. Attach the tube's other end to the device using the same method. Opening the cylinder valve. Turn valve counterclockwise to open. Check the pressure gauges. First gauge shows cylinder pressure. Second shows working pressure, set to 1.5 bars for Multiossigen Medical 95 CPS. Starting the equipment. After power on, a 15-minute warm-up cycle begins. Device in standby, setting working pressure. Use black knob or Allen key to adjust reducer to 1.5 bars. Select programs and adjust ozone concentration. When ready, display shows device ready. Press black button for program menu. Ensure mode on is displayed. Choose concentration range. The device offers 4 ozone concentration ranges based on the condition being treated. Select the desired range to produce the necessary ozone concentration. Pressure adjustment and ozone production. Ozone production is directly proportional to oxygen pressure. To increase ozone concentration, lower the oxygen pressure. To reduce it, increase the pressure. Change the range without stopping the machine. You can change the ozone range anytime from lower to higher, like 2 to 4, without stopping the device. Collecting ozone for treatment. Once the desired concentration is reached, place the syringe on the withdrawal valve. Press the wings and help the plunger collect the produced gas. Once the syringe is filled, proceed with the patient's planned treatment. The device also has a yellow vacuum pump button for targeted treatments. Cleaning and powering down the equipment. After treatment, press the button for the last selected range again. The display will show cleaning cycle. The device will clean internally, circulating oxygen and reducing ozone to 0 milligrams per milliliter. Close the cylinder. At day's end, close the medical oxygen tank by turning the valve clockwise. Wait for both gauges to reach 0, releasing residual pressure. Power off the equipment. Turn off the device from the back, then the isolation transformer. Ensure all is secure.